Finding a corn-free, gluten-free, dye-free Play-Doh is pretty much impossible unless you want to make it yourself. And this is the recipe that I follow. It makes for a very nice dough. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup brown rice flour, a 1/2 cup non-iodized salt, 1 tablespoon cream of tartar, 1 tablespoon oil, 2 cups of water, and your choice of coloring. Then mix well to get rid of clumps. If you're making a single color batch, you can mix the coloring in before cooking. Pour the mixture into a saucepan, heat it on medium, and stir continuously, scraping the bottom and sides of the pan. It will continue thickening until it reaches the characteristic Play-Doh consistency. At this point, you can gather it into a ball. Remove from heat, cover it, and allow it to cool. Now you may use it as is, or separate it and add your colors. Any natural food coloring will work, but I'm using safflower for yellow, prickly pear for pink, spirulina for green, and butterfly pea for purple. These colors really are so pretty. If your dough feels too sticky, knead in a little brown rice flour, and if it feels too tough, work in a little water. The dough is soft, easy to form, and it mixes beautifully. When my toddler woke up from his nap, he was so excited to play with the new colors. This Play-Doh is a wonderful allergy-friendly option if you or your little one has a problem with gluten, corn, or artificial dye. When you're done playing, store it in an airtight container. If you like this, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully you can make some too. See ya!